Hello, scrappers. Get out here in the workshop tonight. See what I couldn't tear up or tear down. Got a few motors piling up on me, so I thought I'd break some of them down. I'm not going to chisel them tonight, but try to get them ready to chisel. I should do this fast way and just cut that some. Maybe not. Hope everybody is doing good out there and finding some good deals. I haven't even taken a load of tin in since before Christmas. Just piling it back up slowly. After next month, it's probably going to get pretty busy though. Posted my ad, so it'll be coming out the 1st. I think it wedged in there pretty good. Yeah, if I had more room in here, I'd bring a wheelbarrow in for that, for the tin, the larger tin. Let's see. I think I got it. This blade's a little sharper, not as wore out. Cut through that pretty quick. So I cut the ends off, these should just pull right out. A lot of times we'll put one of them little nut drivers on the end of the drill, get a hold of the other end with pliers or something, and just buzz them on out of there. Okay, there we go. Man, that one doesn't want to turn. Looks like I'm not getting down in there good. There we go. And the old motor got the little oil spout on it. Guess I could zoom in a little more because I'll just have to watch, make sure you guys are in what I'm doing is in the shot and I'm sitting the best angle. Yeah, a lot of the insulation is broken off the wires here, so that could have been part of the problem. I tried plugging it in and it hummed, but it wouldn't turn. And it could have just been, could have been the cord. I don't know if you can see that. But it'd be a nice cord to strip. A little bit of copper. Yeah, I got a whole barrel in there to strip, but with that ad coming out soon, probably won't get time to do it. I'll probably have to start another barrel or two and just put them out in the field somewhere where they won't get filled with leaves. Yeah, is that cast? Looks like cast aluminum. Yep, not sticking. These screws are set down in there good. They don't want to break loose hardly. Dirt daubers. And a nice little chunk of copper. That's what I like about these old motors. What I do, I'll cut it right here where I don't have quite as much metal to cut. There we go. And a nice little chunk of copper there. Set that aside. Flush that over there. Now on these, what I do, get this little oil spout there. Just try to get on it with pliers and pull it off. Yeah, sometimes I'll just get in there and pry it down good. I thought about trying to get something that would come up and hook over, then when I pried it would hold that down. But sometimes another way is just, that doesn't really seem to be doing much good. Sometimes I need some stubborn ones because for a lot of people want to know how to do it. It gets real stubborn, like that's doing. That is not budging at all. And I'm not sure exactly what that piece is. Okay, that came off. Let's see, does that stick? Yeah. There's a piece of tin. Okay, I got a little sheave in there to knock out. Let's see. There's a little punch. now they just come right off. Fighting with it, and it just punching that out, and I guess that knocked it out. Just about there. Not quite. There it is. Got my little tin bucket down there. Little foam pads out. Now they should be clean cast. You don't feel nothing sticking anywhere. Got my clean cast bucket. I wonder if this one will come off any easier than that last one. There it is. It came off pretty easy that time. Guess I didn't have to hit it quite that hard. The other side, man, it didn't want to come off. Okay, so I need a spacer, so that'll work. I got a couple other pieces of rod around here somewhere. That might work. That goes down through it, but sometimes I get different items for different size holes sometimes. A lot of times just hold it up against the edge. There she popped off. Piece of foam out of there, and that's clean. Anyway, that's how that one came down. And I wanted to keep this video short, and we're about 17 minutes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you picked something up on how I do it. Hopefully it'll help you along, turn yours down. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, share, and I'll get another video out this weekend. So you guys stay warm, stay dry, and pick up lots of scrap. And keep living the life. We'll see you next week.